at this gorgeous 1998 Lexus LS430 steering wheel, looking as good as new or better. And we get a lot of these in. A lot of the Lexus, Mercedes, Porsches, the real wood steering wheels don't last forever. Nothing lasts forever, but the wood that they put on these is 1/32 of an inch thick. So over time, wood moves at a different rate of speed than the plastic that they had underneath this, and at a different rate of speed than the clear coat over it. So, and they all move, so they end up cracking over time. And the finishes they used back in 1998 were not as good as the ones that we have today. So we have redone this. Looks gorgeous. It's literally bulletproof, the finish. So we use the same clear coat that's on the outside of your car. So it's going to make this Lexus look and feel so good to this customer. So reach out to us at craftcustoms.com if there's any way we can help you. We look forward to working with you.